Hi, Dr. Tom here, and welcome to another Medicare Advantage Power Minute, this time for patients. The list of doctors you're allowed to see under your Medicare Advantage plan, which your insurance company gives you when they're trying to get you to sign up, is wrong. I know it because this inaccurate information is an enormous and widespread problem. And because it's expensive to fix, nobody is doing anything about it. Medicare Advantage insurance companies want one thing above all else: your signature. They know once you've signed up that you're very unlikely to change your mind and leave their product. So they'll do anything to get your agreement, including misrepresenting the doctors you can see on your plan. Your tactic for success? Ignore the list they give you and personally call the offices of any doctor that it's important to you. Ask the doctor's representative if the doctor is taking the plan you're considering. Talk to the office manager if you have to.